What is up, guys? Alex Feet back with another video. Today I got my hands on the RTX GeForce 3050 graphics card. I am going to be upgrading from my AMD Radeon RX 570. This is how the box looks like. Yes, I got this for a starting price of $329. The original price was $250, but yeah, I got this for $329. Still pretty cheap. It has 2 fans, 8 gigabytes of DDR6 RAM. I'm pretty sure here is how the box looks like. And yeah, we're going to be unboxing it and we're going to be testing it and putting it in my PC. So over here, as you guys see, I have the sticker. It is completely shut. It is not reused. It is brand new. I got it off Amazon. So we're going to open this up right here. So now that I got the top cover open, I'm going to put this on the side so you could guys get an easy view. So I'm going to pull this right now. And it's kind of hard to pull it open, but here it is. There is the graphics card and it's surrounded in bubble wrap and a couple of other layers, and there is this yellow sticker. And yeah, let's see if there's anything else in the box. I'm not sure there's something shaking, but I'm pretty sure it's like gonna be like a foam piece or something. So there is a manual of how to install, how to use, and like how to install your drivers and stuff. It is pretty self-explanatory. I already know how to do that, but yeah, it is good to have one of these inside the boxes. And there is nothing else inside the boxes, so we're just gonna get to open and unboxing the graphics card. So here I got the graphics card. So we need to open this yellow little sticker and open it from the bubble wrap. This is very securely packaged, by the way. I've never seen something this secure packaged, or like a graphics card. So here it is. Then we got like a black layer of foam surrounding it, and we could kind of see the size of the graphics card peeking out, the HDMI display ports and everything. So we're gonna peel this sticker, and there it is. We get our first glimpse of the graphics card. There we do have another yellow sticker, and here's the black foam. So we're just gonna set that aside. Here it is. The graphics card is pretty heavy. I did not expect it to be this heavy or small. It is way like smaller than I actually thought. We're gonna peel off this sticker too, and yeah, we're gonna open this with this little bag we have here. So here's the first view of the graphics card. Here we have it, the GeForce RTX 3050, 8 gigabytes of RAM, DDR6. I am pretty sure, I am not gonna quote myself on that. I'm pretty sure that's what I saw in the box. But here are their 2 fans. EVGA has this cool fan style, which they have like little specs on the fans. Here's how it looks like. It has like the branding on the side, on top of it. It uses an 8-pin connector, which is pretty good. My RX 570 has a 6-pin connector, so this is a pretty big boost. My RX 570 also has 4 display ports and HDMI, so there's no big difference. But the only thing is the performance and like the FPS and the higher scale footage and stuff I could see. So here I open my PC. I'm going to be putting it inside. So first of all, we have to take off this protective cover for the PCIe slot. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. I'm not an expert on like all the connectors and stuff, but I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. I opened up the 2 areas where my previous graphics card stood. And yeah, we're going to be peeling off some of these little labels and things. I'm going to skip towards it because it's not really that interesting. And there's sound in the background, which is not going to make you guys hear the satisfying part. But whatever. I'm just going to let this all peel off, and I'll come back when I'm putting the graphics card in. So here am I putting it in. I took all the screws out that are needed. I moved all the cables around, and I'm putting in like the final fittings in here. So I'm just going to push it in here, and there it is. It is perfectly locked in place. I have my cables right there, so I need to make it a 8-pin instead of a 6-pin. So I'm just gonna cut to when I do that. So here I got it arranged. There it is. I'm gonna put the 6-pin in and then the 1x2 pin in, and there it is, fully connected. The cables are kind of ugly. It's like those mustard cables with like a bunch of different colors. As you can see, my motherboard cable has the same design. So I'm just gonna try to tuck this in nicely, make it not as visible as it would be. And also, I'm not sure the EVGA and GeForce RTX logo actually light up, but it doesn't really matter. And yeah, you guys could see my PC on the side, all my specs. I have 32 gigs of RAM over there. I have a Cool Master. My Ryzen is a Ryzen 5 3600, if any of you were wondering. So yeah, right now I'm gonna be like screwing in the graphics card. So over here, I'm screwing in one of the lower ones. It took me a while to actually find the screws because I had to hold until I get my GPU, because I didn't have my GPU for like a week. So I couldn't actually use my PC, so I lost them in the process. But I also found them, so everything's all good. So I'm just doing the final touches. As you guys can see, I'm screwing them in, and I'm gonna catch you back when I screw them both in. So there it is. I completely screwed them both in. Right now I'm going to turn on the power supply on the back to actually bring electricity to the whole PC system. So now I'm going to turn it on and hopefully everything will be working. The EVGA GeForce is over there. There we have the PC fan spinning. And yeah, everything is loading. As you can see, we have our 4 red LEDs showing that the PC is working. And yeah, the logo is not lightable, but it's fine. I don't really care about the logo because I'm not looking at the PC all the time. I'm looking at the screen. So yeah, there are the 2 fans spinning and everything seems to be working so far. And yeah, we're gonna catch back to when we have more updates. Something cool about the 30 series graphics card is that they only spin when it's needed. So the graphics card fans won't spin when it's not needed. So it only spins when it's like running high intense games like Fortnite, maybe you're coding, maybe you're playing Minecraft, Call of Duty, Apex, anything. It only runs the fans only when it's actually in intense processes. So as you can see now it's running it because I just turned on some games. So yeah, here it is. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I just saw, you guys would have saw that my dual monitors, that they're both working nice and crisp. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe, comment down below, and we'll see you all in another video.